What is up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Profit. My name's Adam and I'm a full-time reseller. If you're new here, I show you all different kinds of ways to make money. So if you like money, hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be talking about an app that can change your reselling business. I see way too many people losing money and not even knowing it, or buying items thinking they're going to make a profit. Once it sells, after they take out their fees, their shipping, all of their costs, they end up losing money. And that is where this eProfit app can help you, as it has profit calculators built in, AI built in. We're going to talk about all that, dive in how to use the app, and show how it can be an extremely useful tool to your eBay reselling business. First off, let's talk about Profit AI. This is the brand new thing in the app. It is very cool. All you have to do is actually scan the item. Really cool. It's just going to scan the item. Obviously, we're going to use Bluey here as an example, and you can see it brings up all of these exact comps, all of these recent solds, which, yes, you can do this in the eBay app, but you know what you can't do in the eBay app? Up here at the top where it tells you the average sold price, average price range, average shipping, estimated profit after fees, well, we got to take out what we paid for this. I got this at Target for 50% off of that $30 that's on it. So I got it for $15, and it tells us right there the average shipping costs. Obviously, you probably should be using the eBay shipping calculator as well to build in that max amount that it could cost you to ship. But this is a really cool feature that it shows you exactly what it costs people to ship and averages that out. Now you can see what your profit is after the fees, which is really cool. Profit AI is a game changer. And instead of guessing now on buys, you can literally just scan the item on the shelf with Profit AI, and it does all the work for you. I don't know how eBay doesn't have something like this already built in. This is an absolute game changer. It completely takes the guesswork out of selling on eBay and can really help you focus on sourcing high profit items. Another one of my favorite features in the app is this profit calculator. It'll be in the bottom right hand corner of the app when you open it up. This is very cool. Amazon has something like this, but eBay never has had anything like this, and the eProfit app allows us to do this. So you can just put in the sold price. So say something sold, let's go that Bluey. Let's say we sold it for $60. If you charge shipping, you can put shipping in here. So let's say we charged $8.50. You would put that in here, and it would obviously add that to your total price. I normally do free shipping, so I'm just going to do $0. Then you can put in the shipping cost, how much it actually costs you to ship. Let's put in that exact number of that average item cost. Again, $15. Let's say we promoted it at 2%. Tax is going to be different based on where you're at. I think mine's like 7.5 actually, so we'll just update that. And then one of the really cool features that I like about this part of the app is you can actually select the eBay store category. So if you've sold on eBay, you know that fees range anywhere between like 4 and 15% depending on what category you're selling in. Sometimes they're up to like 20%. And this will actually adjust the fees per category. So you just click that little toggle on, and then you'll go and you'll find the category that that item is in, which this one would be like outdoor or decorations, which is not showing up on here, which means it's just going to be a standard one, which is all the way at the top. All other categories, which is most categories. And you can see it adjusted the fees for that, which gave us a total profit of $24.01 if we sold it for $60, if the shipping was $11, and taking out the item cost. Really cool feature to this app. Another cool feature here, you can actually go to home here in the bottom left, and you can actually link your eBay store and all of your expenses and everything, and you can track everything all in one place. It's kind of hard to do just on eBay. You got to click around a few different places to go into your sales and see all of your numbers. Here you can have everything in one place, which I think is really cool, and you can see Profit AI is right there as well, and you can bake those numbers straight into this profit tracker. One thing I forgot to mention here that's really cool is actually there's this expenses thing right here, because as I showed over here, there was 0 expenses, so you were probably confused. You can add expenses in here, which can really help during tax time. So let's say I bought some poly mailers for $60. You can even enter in exactly what it was. Say I bought them on Amazon. We'll mark that. Then we can choose supplies, the date, add expense, and then it'll pull it over here. Really cool feature. And then also we can see when we go over here to sales, this will bring in all of my recent eBay sales. And it'll take out the eBay fees. It shows exactly what it cost me to ship it. And it'll pull all those out. We can see sales, funds processing, funds paid out, sell-through rate, all that good stuff, profit made on every single item, which is a really cool feature to this app. But just wanted to make sure that I mentioned that because these are two of the really cool features. I really like this expenses. I'm actually going to be using that over the next coming year. This will be the app I use to track everything for taxes, because before I just would text myself and then have to go back through all of my texts. So this is a great place that can keep all of your expenses in order. So that's about it. If you want to download this app, it is a free app to download anywhere that you get your apps. Apple Store, Google Play Store, anywhere you can get apps, it is available. And you might as well download it and try it for free. A lot of these features that I showed are actually just free to use on it. A couple of the advanced features like Profit AI, you're going to need to pay a monthly subscription for, but you get a 7-day free trial for that just to test it out and see if you like it. So it does not hurt to download the app for free and check it out for yourself. This is an absolute game changer in reselling. I've always said in all my videos that you should be calculating the profit before buying your items. And a lot of times people aren't good at math, or they're not quite sure how the fees come out, how much shipping's going to be. That's where the eProfit app can help you and ensure that you leave the bad buys at the store and bring the good buys home to ensure that you're making a profit. So download eProfit today and take your business to the next level.